2024, an officer pulled over a vehicle for an exhaust making excessive noise.
Hello, Deputy Road, County Sheriff's Office. How you doing?
Wait, BMW's got excessive noise. That year model, and what is that? I can't tell what kind of brand it is, but I ain't never heard that kind of BMW make no growl sound or loud pipe sound. BMW, that's just false. You profiling.
The reason I'm stopping you is your exhaust.
Well, I see why you
profiling. Maybe louder than the way it comes from the factory. You got your driver's license, registration, insurance, and Okay, I got you.
I say it's a ticket for that, for all that exhaust.
You could. I can tell you right now, I'm not giving you a ticket for it. Are you the registered owner of this vehicle? Okay. Put the car park, shut it off for me. Can you give me the keys real quick? Yeah. Alright, just sit tight.
Bro, but I'm telling you to cut your car off. Them taking your keys. They smell narcotics, or they want to search you, or they know you got a strap in there, bro. I don't understand y'all, bro. I know you smoke cigarettes too by you smoking weed because your lips black as fuck. Nigga, just fire up a square. Cigarette. Kill the smoke. The weed smell. That don't make sense, bro. DUI, you really can't hide that shit. Drinking and driving, you really can't hide that smell. You fuck, but weed, bro, fire up a cigarette. Cut the air on. And they cut the bitch back off when they start walking. But damn, they did profile you though, bro, a little bit. I ain't gonna lie. BMW, tinted windows, neighborhood looking, you in the hood, South Florida. Yeah, they profile by the title. They profile you ain't got a good hit off of it. What it sound like?
So it smells like 31. Passenger has a big bulge in his pocket. When he pulled his wallet, he was trying to pull something in there. The keys in the car. If you want to take him and search it, because it reeks of weed.
Reeks. Fuck is reeks.
What's up?
For what? Huh? For what? She's just
You know you fucked up and calling your mama. You know you about to do some time, bro. You just did a robbery, came from doing a robbery. You know you done did some fucked up shit. You want to go and call her and let her know, hey, they got my ass. I'm finna be gone for it, man.
Do I have to pat you down for weapons or anything?
Saying?
Do you mind if I pat you down for
Fake
weapons?
ass yawn.
Just turn around for me. What's your pocket?
This is a charger.
Do you want to take it out for me and put it on the hood? Or just have your seat on the upper corner?
Can I step on the question? This check spot. Alright, so what I'm trying to figure out is,
You have anything on you?
no sir. Come on.
No weapons?
No.
Nothing illegal on you?
Yes, can you stop touching me, no sir?
Go over here.
I am. I'm staying next over. We are actually, you don't have to touch me, sir. Put your hands on the car.
0. Stop.
I'm not doing that.
Don't move. He's got something on the front of his pants.
Got that strap.
I saw it.
Got that blinky. Bro, I know that motor hood hot, bro. That hood is hot. Even though he probably, caused this on himself, they still fucking him up, bro. I mean, even if bro did have a little weed on him, bro, he wasn't rude. He wasn't cussing at them. He wasn't making the situation more hostile. He wasn't doing none of that shit. You feel me? Like, bro really came at them with respect. And it's like when you come at them with respect, even though you got a little something money, probably a little pistol, bro, he wasn't hostile with the shit, bro. Like most black people, it's like they targeted him and manhandling him per se just because of his appearance. Yeah, bro, do look rough. I ain't even gonna lie. It looked like he done shot up a couple niggas somehow, bro, and probably done stashed the body. That's just how he looked. But you really can't judge a motherfucker till you actually start talking to them, bro. And by how he was talking to them, he kind of came off respectful. And they just slam him up, yoke him up on that hot ass hood, bro. That shit burned, bro. Police cars' engine consistently run, bro, when they on duty. When they in the parking lot chilling, sitting down, bro, them motors running, them fan kicking on, that shit get hot. That shit probably burning.
How old are you? How old are you?
19 years.
I still can't get past that fake ass woman.
You got any other weapons on you? So you got on you?
That's all I'm
Damn. Oh, that's a switch. That's a switch. That's a switch right there. He gone. That's a switch. He gone. That's a switch.